Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
You've got a 54-degree air temperature, starry skies out there, and a dew point value coming in pretty close to the air temperature, bringing high relative humidity, but still feeling pretty comfortable with dew points that low. We have an east wind that blows at about 3. That east wind will be switching around to the south as we head through the afternoon, and that'll raise the dew points just a little. As far as the forecast goes, well, I think tomorrow morning we'll start off with a temperature that'll be a few degrees warmer than it is this morning. This morning we're looking at temperatures that are a few degrees cooler than they were yesterday morning, and this afternoon will be a tad bit warmer than we are yesterday than we were yesterday in the afternoon. So we're looking for a cool start, but a little bit warmer afternoon. We're looking at temperatures that are generally in the mid-50s in inland areas, upper 50s to near 60, right along the immediate coastline. We'll see a daytime high temperature that tops out at about the 80-degree mark, and frankly, that's about as good as it gets. At this time of year, low relative humidity still, and plenty of sunshine wall to wall, 0 rain chance, and temperatures that will gradually drift off into the 70s as we head into the evening hours, perhaps a little bit slower than they did 24 hours ago, because that south wind or southwesterly wind will increase the dew points a little bit and keep us a little bit warmer as the sun fades. Temperatures overnight will be around 62 degrees when you wake up tomorrow morning. Temperatures across the nation are pretty cool to the north of a frontal boundary, where you're seeing temperatures that are freezing or just a little bit above, all the way down to Albuquerque, New Mexico. Then back to the east, we're seeing temperatures that are also a little bit on the chillier side. Freezing temperatures in Toronto, Detroit, Chicago. Washington coming in at 36 degrees, cool, crisp start there as well. Deep south still looks pretty good, and so does Florida, of course, probably the best in the nation, actually. An area of low pressure continues to exit the Atlantic. We're watching an area of low pressure back to the west produce another late season storm for parts of the northern plains and the upper Mississippi Valley, producing snow showers and a blast of snow there. High pressure builds in back to the west, again producing a high fire danger there. They could use a little rainfall, none in the forecast for today. A frontal boundary approaches our area by late in the week, but with high pressure on either side of it kind of bridging over that front, it basically falls apart. So all we get is a little extra cloud cover out of it. More clouds on Friday, but good rain chances on Monday. Thunderstorm outlook looks pretty quiet across the nation, including Florida, but by tomorrow we'll start to see a few storms form in Texas, and parts of the extreme western sections of Texas could get some severe weather. Otherwise, the rest of the nation looks quiet. An exiting area of low pressure out of the Rockies produces a rainstorm system that could produce some relief for drought-ridden west. As it approaches the state of Florida on Monday, that'll probably be our best rain chance of the upcoming 7 days. As that system exits, we start to dry out, and we're left with a pretty nice next work week. So as we head into the weekend, this is what the forecast looks like. For boating today, beautiful southwest wind switching to the northwest at about 10 knots. That's a light chop, 2 foot or less seas, beautiful boating weather. High today, 81. Tomorrow about the same, plenty of sunshine both days. Slightly increased humidity will keep the nighttime temperatures a bit warmer. As we head into Friday, the decaying cold front produces a few scattered clouds. That's about it. No rain in the forecast. Over the weekend, another front approaches, bringing slight chances of showers. Best rain chance, though, is as that front moves through on Monday, slightly lowering our temperatures on Tuesday, clearing everything out. But it's not going to be a really blast of cold air.